Now this is video 3 of me cooking some rice and peas and a curry goat. In the previous video, this rice and peas didn't have any coconut milk, so yeah, I added some coconut milk to it, and I'm about to add the rice, and I added some more water to the curry. I don't know, it's cooked, but maybe I just want it a little bit more soft. So, but it's cooked though, so I'm gonna probably throw in the stuff soon. But for this, I'm gonna pause this video real quick and throw in the rice, come back. Personally, for me, when I'm cooking, I like to cook a lot. I just don't think I am supposed to cook selfish or mean. Must just cook enough. If you feel like we give us some, we give us some. You know, if you feel like we put up in the fridge, we put up in the fridge. Just make a bulk cook. I like bulk cook, especially if you just give it, because my household was usually like a large household. And even my older sister, anytime she cook a little bit of food, we used to just cuss her and tell her, I said, why she do that? Suppose somebody come, I want food, at least food there, you know. So I make sure that we try to stick to the same principle when we do my thing. So this is me, and this is a piece of habanero. Well, it's not a piece, it's a whole habanero. Actually, they split it in half. So the rice is kind of spicy. It has ginger, garlic, scallion, thyme, onion, the whole works, you know. So yeah, and some pinch of salt, because if you see on the stove some salt, it actually get wet. So this is it. I'm gonna cover it up, turn on the stove some more, and make it steam. It goes swell still, you know. Probably go more than what the pot can hold, but we'll come back for a fourth video. But I'm gonna show you the curry before we kind of cut. Okay. Steam it up, steam it up. So we eat this. Cut up some sweet pepper to put in there as well, and like I said, have to make the food look colorful, so make sure I'm gonna put enough carrot in there. Love when time things just look colorful and, you know, joyful, delightful. Yeah, so make this.